What up, YouTube? Back with another video. Doing another water change. And this video I want to show you guys the true power of the Fluval FX6. Alright, so let's take a look. We got the one Fluval FX6 right there. And the other one right there. Alright, so now we know we got two Fluval FX6s. And this is the traditional diffuser. It's a dual diffuser. All right, this is the one that comes with the Fluval FX6. Okay. You can change direction. All right, but what I want to show you is, you know, even though it's impressive, it slows down the water flow a tremendous amount. It gives you, like I said, true direction, but it's not that strong. You know, I'll be honest, it's not that strong. It'll give you good circulation, but for what I'm about to tell you, you can have twice the power with the same canister filter. Twice. You can double the power of your circulation. Okay, now here it is. There's the fuser right here again. It's supposed to be on this side, but I took it off. Okay, I took it off, and this is the true power of the Fluval FX6. Right, no diffuser on it. Alright, this is stronger than my hose outside. Guaranteed. Guaranteed. I can go outside and water my front lawn with no problem. Very strong. Alright, there it is hitting the water. Here it is from the side. I mean, you can see how strong it is. But this isn't it either. What I want to tell you is, if you simply go to Home Depot and get yourself a 90-degree elbow and put it on right here, you'll double the power of your canister filter. Your filtration will double. The circulation will be twice as much as you had than with the traditional diffuser on it. Because with the dual diffuser, it weakens it so much. I mean, like I said, it still gives a good amount of circulation, but you don't really need a dual diffuser. If you simply put a 90-degree elbow, like I said, and I'm going to show you guys very soon this week, you'll double your filtration. Alright, so this is just part one of, like I said, what you can have with your canister filter with your Fluval FX6. Taking off the dual diffuser and putting on a 90-degree elbow, which I will show you this week. And doubling your circulation in your fish tank. Alright, let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. Once again, here it is again. True power of the Fluval FX6. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And here's the other one. It's so easy to do that. Same filter. All you gotta do is put a 90-degree elbow on it. It's in the warranty that you won't void the warranty if you put a 90-degree elbow on it. Because it won't hurt the motor on your canister filter if you put a 3/4 inch 90-degree elbow. It's in the warranty, so you won't void the warranty. If anything happens, you can still bring it back. But like I said, you won't have any problems. 90-degree elbow, double your filtration, double your circulation.
This is part 1. Next video, I'll show you what it looks like with the 90-degree elbow.
Alright guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Later.